Thanks for tuning in for another essential RC flight test. We are back with part 2, or is it part 3? No, I think it's part 3, Carl.
Yeah,
it's part 3. It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Or is it part 2 of this one and part 3 of the other one?
I'm confused. We've been doing this so long now, trying to improve these airliners and get them flying reasonably well. So this is part 3 actually, because in part 1, if you remember, the takeoff was distinctly sketchy. It really was bad because I didn't have enough ground speed. In the second video it was a lot better because I was pushing the stick forwards until I got enough ground speed and then released the pressure on the stick and it climbed away beautifully. But in flight it was, all the passengers were, oh, what's going on? Turbulence. And so what have I done for part 3? I put a gyro in it. I've got the Hobby Eagle A3 Super 3 gyro in this. Currently with the gyro off. And now you can hear that it's on. So I will play around with the gain in flight and see if that eliminates. But, do you know what is funny? We came, so you come out with a piece of technology, a gyro in this, to test out what it's going to be in turbulent conditions. And actually 5 minutes ago it was blowing a gale, and now look at the windsock, there's nothing. It's like forces of nature are against me. But I don't mind flying with no wind. I'd prefer that, but I really wanted to test out the gyro. But we'll fly anyway, see how it does, and I can tinker around with the gain if the wind gets up.
Come to think of it, this could be your first landing this without the help of wind. That could be interesting.
Oh, don't. Thanks for mentioning that. Thanks, Carl. Right, I'm not going to waste battery.
Clear for takeoff.
Here we go. So, got to remember. Hold movement. Didn't even get in the air. What? Didn't seem to have quite as much poke, did it?
Still got it on 4S?
You got your battery checker?
Yeah, not on me, but have you still got it on 4S?
We'll try again. I'm pretty sure the batteries are charged.
Still flying it on 4S?
Yeah.
All pilots can now unclench.
Cool. I don't know why it didn't come unstuck. Right, so gyro is on. And that does look a bit smoother.
It does look a lot better.
It looks a lot better.
Of course, there's also no wind. So.
Yeah. So who am I kidding? I'm using a lot less power, which is nice. Make sure you're wide and zoomed out for these, Carl.
Yeah, I missed that one.
Oh. So Just under half throttle and it is flying so much smoother without the wind. Oh, what happened there? Oh no. Did I take my eye off it? Oh. Oh, just when you get it flying well. I think maybe I took the power off too much.
The walk of shame.
So, handily, the rear section has parted away cleanly at the join. So obviously I didn't use enough glue. Some scrapes underneath. It looks like one of the nacelles. Oops, that looks alright, it's just pulled out. Very easy fix. I'll have to look back at that on video. But I'm wondering if that was my fault. I might have just glimpsed away for a second and might have been flying on just not enough power for the little bit the wind might have picked up when I was going from, where was I going? I was going upwind and then to downwind. So I don't know, maybe I got caught out there.
Maybe you finally found the stall limit of the very small wing area.
Yeah, maybe that's the case. But it was flying so much smoother. So I was quite impressed by that. But it shall fly again. Not much damage actually, thankfully. So we'll be back. Thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. We do fail sometimes. I'm not going to lie. It doesn't always go smoothly, Carl, does it?
Nope,
and you can't hide the moments
where
it doesn't go well. So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test as a noisy Cessna goes over our heads. Thanks to Carl on camera. We'll be back again in the near future. Thanks for watching. Oh, what happened there? Oh no. Did I take my eye?